Okay, well, it's day 3 of the project and I got all the walls painted in the bedroom. I still have to do the cut-in up at the top and down at the bottom and next to the windows and the door frames and around the TV and all that kind of stuff. I'm nowhere close to being done yet, but I just wanted to show you my progress and my thought process for what am I going to do today. Okay, so I've got the hallway done. That took a while in itself, just to get all this kind of stuff because of all the wood. I got to be careful up at the top and all that. And it started getting late last night. I thought nothing doing. I'm gonna keep going. I've got this part here above where the table was. Got that up. And it was so much easier to run the paint roller from way over here, put it on that little extension rod of that little Twizzler, dust Twizzler thing I saw in the cupboard. I think I could have gotten it with my broom handle. But anyways, I ended up getting that wall, and I'm glad I had my construction light because it was getting late last night and I wanted to be able to see. I didn't get done painting until close to 9 o'clock. Just painting the walls. Okay, that and having to go up around that. I mean, that's tedious and time consuming, rather than it's easier to paint one flat wall as opposed to going around door frames, window frames, headers, glass walls, all that kind of stuff. And so normally what I would do at this point is I would start on the semi-gloss and get everything done with the roller. Do the kitchen area, do the bathroom, set up all the craft paper in the bathroom, and do that. But hey, I'm changing my mind. You can always change your mind in the middle of a project, because this is where I've been sleeping. I think I showed you that from before. I just crawl in there and it's a little awkward, but because all this stuff is in my way. Well, I'm going to do this slightly different today. I thought, hey, you know what? Why not get all the cut-in done into the bedroom so that I can then finish up all that stuff, and then I can set the bed back up. I can pull that out of the way. I can take the pictures, put those back up. I can get all of this stuff resituated in the bedroom, and because I have everything moved away from the walls and stuff, I can run a vacuum so that I can get underneath the bed, underneath where the headboard was, underneath where the nightstands were, underneath where the big dresser was along here. I can cut in and finish this entire closet here. I'll cut it, I'll do all that today, and I'll do all the cut in here everywhere, get the masking tape pulled up, get everything done. I can then put the big dresser drawer back over here, okay, and then I can see here all this stuff. I can then set the bed back up, get all that stuff, get this bedroom back together, put the doors back up, hang these 2 doors, get those doors out of the way, get the glass doors back where they're supposed to be. You see what I'm saying? I can do all of that, then I can get this bed out of here. And I can get the mattress, the frame, the box springs, the lamps. And then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to be here for a couple more days, it looks like. And this couch folds out into a bed. And I brought my sheets with me and my blanket with me. And I'm just gonna pull that out and set that up so I can sleep there tonight. That's my goal, anyways. And I'll do that if I have enough time. Then I'll go ahead and cut in around the sliding glass doors, the baseboard, this wall, the rock wall. You see what I mean? The rock wall. Then I can vacuum back in there, push the TV back, get the coffee tables kind of resituated, put the valance pieces back up for the blinds, get the blinds remounted in the back, and virtually get everything kind of put back together. I've got to do that anyways, right? Why not do that today rather than leave this fruit basket upset, leave this all like this today so that I can do the paint rolling for the kitchen and the bathroom? I can do all that kind of stuff tomorrow, right? If I can get all this stuff back into place, then I don't have to monkey around with sleeping like this for tonight. Because once all this gets back into place, once the bedroom gets all back into place, now I could concentrate in this little kitchenette, right? I can do that. I still had to do some patching work up there. I told you when I'm using the caulking that it might suck up, and I don't know if you can see that little bit right there. Right before breakfast this morning, I put some caulking on there. Now it's drying, and I'll have to take some more caulking and put up there just to fix that, and that'll give that time to dry. I don't need to come in here and start doing the rolling and say, well, I don't know, I can't fix that. You know, I can do that tomorrow and put 1 or 2 more coats of caulking there where it's sucked up because there used to be a little hole up in there. Okay, while I'm doing other things. Okay, and I told you yesterday that I would show you the little white specks on here. This was brand new craft paper when I put it down. And I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this because there's not much light in here. But do you see the little white specks everywhere? I know it's hard to see. I've got the light disconnected. I don't have much light in this condo, but I'm hoping you can see all those little specks in there. Okay, and that's from the paint roller spitting to a certain extent, and it coming off the wall to a certain extent. Okay, you're going to get that, and I'm glad I did that. I mean, could I have done it without doing anything to this area? Yeah, I probably could have, but then I would have had to have gone back with a sponge and wipe everything. I didn't want to do that. You know, this was much easier. It didn't really take me that long to put these 2 pieces of craft paper. Originally, I thought I was going to have to put craft paper over the seats, remember, and then a separate one on the table. Well, I just took 2 pieces of craft paper, you know, like that, and ran that along there, and then I could reach all that with the paint roller, you see. And so that's my game plan today. I just wanted to kind of review that with you because you can do your project however you want. Is there a right and wrong way to paint a little condo like this? No, you can do it however you want, but just start thinking about it and figure out what's the best procedure, and then after a day your project might morph into something else, and you might jump around, pick and choose what you're going to do. You see what I mean? So that's my plan today, and I'm sticking to it. And I'll show you my progress along the way, maybe. And I'll get going here in a minute. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.